So remember this formula. Sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, and cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus
3 cos a.
Okay. Now tan 3 you can do in many ways. So one way you can write sin 3a divided by cos 3a. Okay. What is sin 3a? 3 sin
a
minus 4
4
sin
sin
cube
cube
divided by 4
4
cos cube minus 3 cos. Okay. Now, here I cannot divide like we used to do. Homogenization नहीं कर सकते यहाँ पे. क्यों? क्योंकि same power नहीं है. तो in many questions also in SL only you will see जबरदस्ती डालते power ताकि हम homogenize कर सके. तो यहाँ पे that's why I'm teaching you this method so that it will help you in few questions also when I give that homework. Here the power is what? Cube. So there should be a square inside. So I put कोई problem नहीं है किसी को. Here cos square plus sin square. Getting? It will come as 3 sin cos square plus 3 sin cube minus 4 sin cube divided by, here it will be 4 cos cube minus 3 cos cube. Directly I can write cos cube here and directly I can write minus sin cube here. Okay. And here minus 3 cos sin. Okay. Till here clear? Now you tell me what should I divide? Divide by what so that I'll get in terms of tan? Sin cube I should divide by what to get tan?
cos cube.
Correct. So entire thing cos cube. Okay. So 3 sin by cos cube minus sin cube by cos cube. I don't have to show you, no? So what will be this?
3
This
tan
will cut.
minus tan cube.
Yeah. So you'll get 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3
tan square.
Tan square. This is tan 3. If you want, you can split it as 2A plus A and do it also. Matlab, you can also do it in this way also. Tan 2A plus A. So that you know, na? Tan A plus tan 2A by 1 plus tan A tan 2A. And then again tan 2A ko expand kar lo. Still you will end up getting this. I showed this method because this has some relevance. That's why I showed. Okay. Take this down, then we'll do one question. This method you take it down. Proof at least.
Done.
Done?
Yeah.
Now see, here they are asking tan 20 का तो मैंने सिखाया नहीं, or it is not going to come also anywhere. And there is a power of 6, 4 and 2. But here there is only a power of 3, 2 and this one. What if I square this? What will happen? You will get a square 6 here. You will get a square here, and 2ab term will be raised to 4. यहाँ पे raised to 4 आएगा, यहाँ पे constant आएगा, and 2ab term will be a square. You getting? When tan 3a, if you square it, you'll always get powers of 4, 6 and 2. Can you get it? Understand?
Yeah.
तो किसी tan 3a का square है ये. Which one you think? 20 into 3 कर लो. What is 20 into 3?
60.
That's it. So tan 60 का square, you know already it is root 3 का square, which is tan 3 into 20 का square, which is this formula you can apply. 3 tan 20 minus tan cube 20 by 1 minus 3 tan square. Try. We'll end up getting the same thing. फिर 3 आ रहा है. इसका is 9 tan square 20 plus tan raised to 6 minus 2ab will be 6 tan raised to 420 divided by इसका square will be 1 plus 9 tan raised to 420 minus 2ab term will be 6. See if you're getting like this. Then you cross multiply. 3 plus tan raised to 620. यहाँ पे tan raised to 27 minus 6 minus 27 minus 33. Then this is done. This is done. Okay. 18 plus 9, 27 आएगा. So plus 27 tan square 20 minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3. So 0 I'm getting. Right? You got this much?
Yeah.
Now, I'll teach you three things and you'll have to remember it. Okay? And we'll go in the formula book also. So, sine theta into, this is the only chapter where you have so many formulas to learn. And I think you will also see that in parabola, ellipse, conic section chapter.
Yeah.
Otherwise, itna nahi hai har chapter mein. Okay. Sine theta into sine 60 minus theta. First, what will you do is I'll club these two together. Okay. Does it give a feel of sine A plus B into A minus B?
Yeah.
So what is sine A plus B into A minus B? Sine square A,
Square A minus
sine square B. Okay. 2 sine theta. Sine square 30 is sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So
3 by 4.
then I'm taking LCM. Then I'm taking multiplying the sign inside. Have you seen the numerator
Sine
somewhere?
3 theta.
Yeah. Sine 3 theta by. Okay. And the same thing, I'm not going to repeat it now. You can do it maybe at home. The same thing will come if you take cos also. Okay. If I take cos theta, cos and cos, you will get 1 by 4. You can add 90 and do it like that. Whatever you do it, still you will get like that only. Okay. Okay. Then what about tan? Tan theta into tan 60 minus theta into tan 60 plus theta. See, if you observe this, if I divide this by this, don't you think sine by cos will give me tan theta?
Yeah.
This expression will give me tan 60 minus theta, correct? And this upon this will give me tan. So basically, I'm dividing this by this to get this. So that is literally dividing this and this. When you divide this and this, 1 by 4 will cancel. So here there is no 1 by 4. Here only tan 3 theta will come. Got it? Take this down and keep it as a formula.
Done.
First, we'll do simple application. Can you see it is related to this formula only?
Yeah.
Sine 10 into sine 60 minus 10 into sine 60 plus 10. Okay. So basically that is 1 by 4, 3 theta. So 1 by 4 sine theta is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Here also, can you see it is the same? Is it the same? I'm asking.
No.
Okay. So what is the problem here?
40.
See, here there is a cos 10. Here there is a cos 60 plus 10. But there is no cos 60 minus 10. So I will keep 160 minus 10 here. And I will divide that cos 60 minus 10 into cos 40.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
this much I can do. Now this whole term will be 1 by 4 cos 30, 3 theta, 3 into 10. And this will be cos 50. And this will be
40.
cos 40. Okay, now cos 30 kya hai? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 will become root 3 by 8. Now I can write this, depends on what is the answer. Okay. So either I can convert the top numerator wala cos into sine, or this it becomes either tan or cot form. I can write this as sine 50. So it becomes sine 50 upon cos 50.
Tan.
Or you can get the answer as root 3 upon 8. You can change this as sine 40. So it will become cot 40.
40.
Whatever is this. So sometimes don't think, अरे तो pattern नहीं बन रहा है, तो अपने अंदर you'll have to put something and do it. We'll do a question now like this.
1 second.
This was a JEE question previous. Okay.
Done.
Okay. They've asked the same type 2 times, sine and cos, sine and tan. Okay, anyways. Tan का बताओ पहले, और नहीं पहले sine का बताओ. Sine is little. Sine का बताओ पहले. Then tan का you can do. Sorry. You can do it in many methods. It's up to you. See, here you have a sine 6.
And 60 plus 6. So sine 54 by sine 54.
Yeah. So sine 60 minus 6 होना चाहिए. But is it there? No. So
divide by
this is
60.
from my pocket. Okay. Sine 54. Clear? Now what about the other two candidates? 42.
Sine 18 by sine 18.
So that is this is 60 plus 18. And this 42 is
60 minus 18.
correct. 60 minus 18. So what I have to add? Multiply
Sine 18 by sine 18.
Yeah, sine 18. Good. By sine 18. Okay. Okay. Now, here this is sine 18 upar by 1 by 4. Is clear?
Sine 50.
Yeah. Now here sine 54 into. Here it is sine 18 into 18 threes are.
Sine 54 by 4 sine 18. It will cancel, so 1 by 16.
So this will cancel and you will get 1 by 16. Good. Like this you need to play. Okay. Same question was asked in tan also. Now tan also you will do the same build up. I'm not going to do it. I'm just saying. Tan also you will do the same build up. Tan. Only thing is ये 1 by 4 नहीं आएगा जब. ऐसे ही cancel होगा 1 by 4 नहीं आएगा. So what will be the answer here? 1. Tan में. Same build up you will do in tan. But that 1 by 4 will not come. So you will not get an answer 1 by 16. You will get 1 into 1. That's it. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, do it. How will you start?
Expanded. Oh.
What is 1 plus cos 2a? 2?
Cos square. Cos
2 cos
squared.
square a.
Huh.
1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square a. 1
cos-
minus cos 2a is 2
2
sin
sin
square a.
square.
But sin 2a, how will I split? Now I'm getting all in a's angle. So how will I
Cos a
split?
sin a. 2
Yeah,
cos a
2
sin a.
sin a cos a. And ये सब square के अंदर चल रहा है. Can I take anything common?
Cos.
2
2
and 2
cos.
and cos. But that will go outside as
Why outside? Oh, acha, okay,
square
okay,
के
okay.
outside.
हाँ.
That's why I'm getting a see 4 cos square here. See,
हाँ.
it will come 1 plus
Oh.
sin a whole square. अरे नहीं cos ना. There's a cos also, right? Now you know cos a plus sin a whole square. 1 plus 2 sin 2a. Cos square plus sin square. You know it, na? How this came?
No.
Hey, formula. This direct formula I told you. I told you for cos 2a. I told you also for 1 plus sin
Right,
2a.
right, right. Yeah, yeah.
What was about 1 plus sin 2a? Cos a plus sin a whole square. 1 minus sin 2a,
Cos
cos
a minus sin a
whole
whole
square.
square. Yeah.
That's why, see, this same question can be done in 2 methods. See, some people don't like cos. I'm just simply saying, but some people don't like do always cos method. They like sin method. They also can do this question. They will club
1
the
plus
two
sin 2.
and they will say, अच्छा ये तो मेरा है. So cos plus sin whole square. But then they have no choice. Cos 2a they'll have to take it as cos square minus sin square. Now, इन दोनों में क्या common? Cos plus sin. Or should I show you? You know, understood, na?
Yeah.
A square minus b square. So, cos plus sin outside will come like this. Inside, cos plus sin plus cos minus sin the whole square. What will happen? ये दोनों cancel होगा. So 2 cos plus sin whole square into 2 cos का whole square, 4 cos square हो जाएगा. So you'll get 4 cos square a and sin plus cos का whole square, you know, it is 1 plus. Done. So any method you can think, you will get the answer. Okay.
So,
Suppose
but how 1 plus sin 2 is cos plus sin whole? Oh, okay, okay. हाँ.
Same thing, Ray. How many times?
Yeah.
See, again I'm telling 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a.
2 cos square.
1 minus cos 2a,
2 sin square.
yeah, 2 sin square a. This is cos ka. Like that, similarly, you have 1 plus sin 2a as
Cos plus
cos
sin.
a plus sin a whole square. 1 minus sin 2a will be cos a
Minus.
minus sin a whole square.
Okay.
याद है अभी?
Yeah.
Okay, try. Choose the easier method. What will you choose? Tell me what will you choose also. What did you do?
I did cos 4a as 1 minus 2 sine square a.
Cos 2a.
Cos 4a.
Cos 4a is what?
1 minus 2 sine square a.
Because everything is in cos. Okay, even if you do like this, cos square 2a minus 1. You can do like that also. But make it in cos, no? You
But
make
like
this as.
the answer is in tan, right?
So what? So what? You'll see for what happens.
Okay.
Okay. Here, can I write 2 cos square 2a minus 1?
Huh.
Okay. Then what will happen? Tell me.
1 second.
3 minus 4 cos 2a plus 2 cos square 2a minus 1. 3 plus 4 cos 2a plus 2 cos square 2a minus 1. Now, there is a 3 minus 1.
2.
Yeah. And each also there will be a 2. You observe, right?
We can take 2 common.
Okay, good. So I can take, you will get till here. Okay, I'm taking 2 common as you said. So it will be cos square 2a minus 2 cos 2a plus 1 and cos square 2a plus 2 cos 2a plus 1. Correct or wrong?
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. उसके बाद when you see it कुछ मन में आ रहा है? Numerator and denominator, it's an identity. A square minus 2ab plus b square, and नीचे it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is basically cos 2a minus 1 and it is cos 2a plus 1 का whole square.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Now you know a minus b whole square and b minus a whole square का कोई फर्क नहीं है. So instead of writing cos 2a minus 1, I'll write it as, and this too I can write it as 1 plus cos 2a. Okay. So ऊपर what will happen? 1 minus cos 2a, you know, 2 sine square a. Here 2 cos square a. Again the square. 2 cancel. Tan square ka square.
Okay.
That's it.
Done.
Easy questions. Try to do it fast. Basically, they're asking you to find the value of both. दोनों का वैल्यू निकालना है. First you do this.
One.
What did you do? You took 2 common? Okay. So you got
Sine
4
3 theta.
sine cube 40 minus 3 sine 40. So I can take minus 2 common. So you'll get 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So that will be sine 3 into 3 theta का formula apply होगा. So minus 2 sine 120. Now sine 120 and sine 60 is same. Because sine 180 minus theta and theta is same.
Yeah.
So what is sine 60? Root 3 by 2. What mistake you did?
So 1 second.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, done.
Do this. I'll just come. What did you do?
Expanded that sine 3, cos 3, and then took sine
Okay,
as
like that
common.
also you can do. Like that also you can do. Okay, so you expanded it. So 3 sine minus 4 sine cube by sine
2.
minus 4 cos cube minus 3 cos by cos. So here it will be 3 minus 4 sine square minus
4
4
cos
cos
square
square.
plus 3.
Okay. After the bracket, you're saying. Okay. Plus 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 minus 4,
2.
sine square plus cos square, and this is 2. Now here if you take LCM, Like that also you can do. Divided by sin A cos A.
cos.
Now ऊपर it is basically sin A minus B का formula चल रहा है.
हाँ
Okay. So it is sin 2A
हाँ.
by sin A.
Oh,
Now if I expand this to sin A cos A divided by, till you are going to get this. Any method is fine. Clear?
1 second. हाँ.
See, if I
हाँ, got it.
multiply, huh?
Got it.
Okay, good. You multiplied by cos.
Cos 9 and cos 27 and divide by cos
Very
9
good,
and
very
cos
good,
27.
very good. So ऊपर if I multiply by cos 9, you will get cos cube 9 minus 3 cos 9. Very good, excellent. Divided by cos 9. And here I multiplied. See, you're getting the hang of it very easily. Good. And this I'm getting at cos 27. So this is what formula? Cos 3 theta.
हाँ.
So cos 27 by cos 9
81
equal to cos 81
cos
divided by
27.
cos 27. This will cancel.
And that is
Cos
sin 9.
81 is sin 9 by cos 9.
हाँ.
That is your tan 9. Good. So when you see a form and you know one thing is missing, अपने आप कर लो. Multiply. This also is easy actually.
Got it.
Yeah.
C
This
plus
is,
S whole square.
yeah,
And
cos
that
plus
cos
sine.
2a C square minus S square.
Correct. So
So
this is cos plus sine by
cos
cos minus
minus
sine.
sine divided
Then
by
you
cos.
divide by cos.
Huh.
Correct?
So 1 plus tan A, 1 minus tan A, so tan pi by plus.
Very good. Now you're slowly getting a hang of it, no? Okay. Take this one, you take it as a homework. Now, if I take it, it'll be big. Okay. What you do is express cos 5a in terms of a. Just write as a homework.
Okay.
Cos 5a in terms of only cos a. Okay, so you tell me how will you start?
Cos 3a plus cos
Correct.
2a.
3a plus 2a only. Now, wherever there's a sign, keep it as sign. And after taking common or something, that sign will become sine squares everywhere. Now you know how to make sine squares. 1 minus cos square. Okay.
Okay.
Next heading you write half angle formula. Just in a ulta we are thinking. That's it. No, the other way around we are thinking. Half angle formula. So we know it is like, we know 1 plus cos 2a. We used to write it as 2 sine square a. So we can also think 1 plus cos a, we can write it as 2 sine square a by 2. So sine a by 2, we can write it as, sorry, 1 minus a, sorry. Sine a by 2, we can write it as 1 minus cos a by 2. Root of 1 minus cos a by 2, correct? Like that, similarly, can I write cos a by 2 as 1 plus cos a by, and like that, I can also write tan a by 2 as root of 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now, if you know from 9th, 10th standard, we used to rationalize type. Rationalize me, but we same type by sector. So Upper used to get sine square, and here used to get 1 plus cos whole square. So it used to come sine a by 1 plus cos a. Okay. मन में भी सोच सकते हो वैसे. See, when it comes like this, you can think 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2 divided by, this is 2 cos square a by 2. So see, you don't have to by heart this and this. You don't need to. You can understand. Acha, abhi you can even think. Abhi cot. Abhi if you want tan, you can also make it in this format. See if it is right or wrong. Tell me if it is right or wrong. What will happen ऊपर? 2 sin square a by 2 आएगा. नीचे 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Cancel होगा कि नहीं? So again you will get tan a by 2. So you don't need to by heart. ये मन में आना चाहिए कि खेलना कैसा है. You getting?
Yeah.
Like that, I'm asking you a question. Tell me the two forms of cot a by 2. अभी cot के लिए cos ऊपर आना चाहिए. Correct? So you will put 1 minus cos a or 1 plus cos a. 1 plus na ऊपर. So 1 plus cos a divided by sin a. But if you're taking sin ऊपर,
then 1 minus cos a.
1 minus cos a. That's it. It's as easy as it. So I would prefer you should not by heart this. Okay? ये मन में सोचना, ये भी सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, because I have derived it. Okay?
Yeah.
So this all thing, it's just like you just your half angle formulas or your multiple angle formulas are clear, and it's just easy. Okay? Okay. Do you remember sine 15, cos 15, and tan 15?
Root 3 minus 1 by 2.
Correct.
root
2 root
2.
2. Sin 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 is?
Root 3 plus
Correct. Correct.
1 by 2
And
root
tan
2.
is? Tan
Root
15
3
is
minus
2 minus, yeah. Either you can write it in that form, but finally it comes as 2 minus root 3.
2 minus root 3. Okay.
Okay?
Huh.
Okay. So if you know that, did you write this first?
Yeah.
Written?
Yeah.
Now, find me the value of sine 7.5 degree. How will you think?
Sin 15 by 2.
Root of 1 minus double angle.
Huh.
Cos 15 by 2. ये by heart करने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is not to by heart. Okay? This is just to give you a practice. That's all. Or questioning. They usually used to ask this for long back. कभी-कभी it can come as the matrix or math the following in some other format. So just making you aware कि ऐसा हो, there are things like this. So 1 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 by 2. Correct?
Yeah.
So it becomes 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 by 4 root 2.
Huh.
Got it?
Huh.
Okay. Like that, what will you do for sine 22.5 degree?
Sin 40, 1
Right.
minus cos 45.
Correct. 1 minus cos 45 by 2. So how much it will come? 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 2. So root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 the square root. Got it?
Yeah.
Like that, similarly, you can also try this later. See, अपने आप try कर सकते हैं. I think only there will be a difference in sign. That's it. तो यहाँ पे प्लस आएगा, यहाँ पे प्लस आएगा. That's the only difference in the form. Okay. Okay. So this is how the half angle formulas have been done. Now I want to find tan 22.5 degree.
Sin divided by cos.
So I told you, you can either think it in root format. You can think root of 1. Now tan के लिए you never think in root format.
Okay.
Okay, I've taught you easier methods. ऊपर sin आना चाहिए. ऊपर sin आना चाहिए. तो 1 minus cos A by sin A. 1 minus cos A. तो 1 minus cos 45 by
sin 45.
Sin 45. Or you can write it as sin 45 by 1 plus cos 45. Whichever way you like it. Okay. So 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. So I think it is root 2 minus 1. Yeah, root 2 minus 1. Correct? ये याद रखना चाहिए. This should come in your formula book. Tan 22.5. Like that. Tell me cot 22.5.
1 second.
Cot के लिए cos ऊपर आना चाहिए. So 1 plus cos 45. I can take the reciprocal of that also, but I'm just showing you how to apply this again and again. So 1 plus 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 to root 2 plus 1. This 2 should go in the formula book because we are expecting the student should know this value. Not sine or cos 22.5, but tan 22.5 or cot 22.5. Okay. And you can think like this also. This is also equal to cot 67.5 degree. And this is also equal to tan 67.5 degree. वैसे भी सोच सकना है, वैसे भी सोचना. Okay. Okay. So this question you try. Done? Done with here?
Yeah.
So I'm giving you a question. Cot 7.5 degree is equal to, I'll write it in this format, root A, root B into root C plus root D. Okay, it's integer type question. A plus B plus C plus D क्या है? Try. I'll just come down.
I didn't get it.
Did you start with this 1 plus cos 15 by sin 15? Okay. So 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1 by 2. So you might have got root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. 2 root 2, 2 root 2 will cancel.
Yeah.
Okay, I took the LCM here. So I got this will cancel out, common L.
Yeah.
So I think you got this value. Okay. Then what will you do? Rationalize.
Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1.
So I'll just write it here like this. So root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. Okay. Pura multiply with root 3. So you will get 3 plus 2 root 6 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 1 by, I think it is 2. This you can think like this also. See, ऐसे भी you can सोच सकते हो. देख. Can I rearrange and think like this? Okay. So when I'm multiplying, you just think like this. This is which is easier. I'm just saying. There are different ways to think about it. That's all. Okay. So it's 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 plus 3 plus 1. Root 3 ka square 3. 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 root 3.
Cancel that with the 2.
Yep. So you're getting how much?
Root 6
root
plus
6
root 2 plus 2 plus root 3.
Plus root 3 plus root 2 plus 2. Correct? Then I want to get it in this form. I should factorize it. So in दोनों में root 6, can I think like this? Root 3 into root 2. Now you remember what I told you long back? 1 plus x plus y plus xy factorizable है. If this is 7 also, it will be factorizable. है ना इस format में? हाँ. So take anything common. In दोनों में you can take common. So root 3, root 2 plus 1.
Yeah. Root 2 plus 1, root 3 plus root 2.
Plus. Okay, I'm taking root 2 common. Root 2 plus 1. Correct?
Yeah.
So root 3 plus root 2. Correct. 1 I can write it as root 1.
Yeah.
So it came in this format.
Yeah.
So it is 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Answer is 8. So like this, they design now advanced questions. They make it in this format and then integer type again. Yes. Any subjective question, you can make it now into integer format also. Okay, next question.
Hmm.
Okay, try.
One.
9.
No.
What did you do first? Tell me.
I took cos 3a as 4 cos square a minus 3. Like that cos 3a, I expanded it and then I took cos a common and then I cut it.
Like this, you might have got.
Huh. And then I multiplied 2 and then minus.
Okay.
Oh, okay, okay, okay,
Here,
okay.
here what you get? 3 sine minus 4 sine cube by sine. So 3 minus 4 sine square.
Hmm.
इसका value निकालना है. And if
One
you know
second.
this, can you convert cos square into sine square?
Minus.
And put that sine square value here. That's it. Here here is correct. And when you expand this, you get a sine square. Getting
Expand what?
this one, your answer, what you
Huh.
need. So when I expanded it and divided by sine, just exactly how you did for cos 3a by cos
Huh.
a,
Huh.
I get 3 minus 4 sine square.
Hmm.
But यहाँ पे मुझे cos square का value मिल रहा है, तो मुझे cos square नहीं चाहिए, sin square चाहिए. So I'll write like this.
7 by 8.
हाँ, I think wait. हाँ, I don't have to substitute. I can rearrange, है ना?
Huh.
नहीं, rearrange में plot. हाँ, I can take this as 3. So 1 plus 3 minus 4 sine square is equal to how much? 7 by 2. Correct, na?
Hmm.
So 3 minus 4 sine square is 2.5. 5 by 2? Yeah, 5 by 2.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. You did like that. Oh. Okay, I found cos square a ka value.
You took cos square का value, okay.
हाँ.
But हमको 3 minus 4 sin square चाहिए.
हम.
So I rearranged, that's all. 4 को I split it as 1 plus 3. And this is what? Exactly what I need. So I got the 1 here, minus 1.
Okay.
So 7 by 2 minus 1, we'll get 5 by 2. Clear what I did?
1 second. हाँ, got it. Yeah.
Okay. Now, see, we just did a question today. I'm not saying to remember it. I'm just saying कि ideas ऐसे आते हैं. तो cos 3a sin a something we did, na? Something similar we did today. Yeah. See, something similar we did. The difference of this is 2.
हाँ.
You've seen it, na? We have done it. So what I'm doing is कि I'll assume, I'm not saying how to by heart it. I'm just saying कि this is how ideas come. I'll take it as x. Okay. So sin 3a by sin a minus cos 3a by cos a. Can I write it as x minus half?
हाँ. Is equals to 2.
Now I cross multiply. So upar I you know how you'll get sin 2a divided by sin a
हाँ.
cos a. X minus
So
half. Yeah, so that is 2. So x is equal, sorry.
2 plus half.
So
2
2
and a
is
half.
equal to x minus half. So
हाँ.
x is equal to 5 by. So this is your method. Getting?
Yeah.
Okay.
1 second.
Yeah. Next one is an SL-only question. So one exercise, it's good. I'll give you after this logarithm. Dono mix karke I'll give you better. So you will get a practice. Otherwise you will forget trigonometry also. Before now, I'm giving you a little bit SL Prilipko ka logarithm. No? After that is done, I'll give SL-only ka trigonometry. Then I'll go to your worksheet questions.
Okay.
So this is one question of SL learning. Very nice question. It is. Done?
Yeah.
So this is proof that is this. Any idea how will you start?
Should I do that pi one? Should I do that like because it's like product into product into product? So like that pi. No.
From left hand side, how to get back? Okay, you tell me. If I had given you a formula, if I had given you something like this, 2. Give me that. See, can you see this is like cos 8a or some other format?
Yeah.
Cos 2a format. So can you write it like this? I'm just asking, huh? Just asking. Can you do this? I'm asking. Yeah. So what I'm doing here is now, listen very carefully what I'm doing. Okay. I'll change the color for the answer. So this is separately I'm going to write. Just imagine I'm doing this. How did I get 4 from 8? I divided by 2. So 2 raised to n divided by 2 will give me how much? 2 raised to
n.
n minus 1. Cos 2 raised to n minus 1 theta. हाँ, cos square minus 1 plus 1. ये clear है? Did you
Yeah.
understand what I did?
Yeah.
I just did this only.
Huh.
This whole thing I converted like this.
Yeah.
Clear?
Huh.
Okay. Then I'm multiplying. There is a 2 also, no? There is a 2 also. Sorry. Okay. Now I'm multiplying. So I'll get 4 cos square 2 raised to n minus 1 theta. And 2 into minus 1, there will be a minus 2
Plus 1.
and plus 1. So I can simplify it as minus 1 divided by 2 cos theta plus 1. Till here clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now can you see here the numerator in a square minus b square format?
Huh.
So how will I split it up? I'll write it here. 2 cos 2 raised to 2n minus 1 theta minus 1
Huh.
into 2 cos 2 raised to n minus 1 theta plus 1 divided by 2 cos theta plus 1. Correct? I know the entire bracket is coming. I'm just saying, okay, entire bracket, because that is a problem. So entire bracket also. Till here clear?
Yeah.
Now don't you think this is again the same question itself? Think,
Yeah.
correct?
Huh.
Again, I can simplify the same method I simplified.
Huh. Minus 2.
Yeah. So it will come here, it will be 2 cos 2 raised to n minus 1 theta minus 1. Again, it will be 2 cos 2 raised to n minus 2 theta minus 1. Again, it will be 2 cos, sorry, 2 raised to n minus 2 theta plus 1, like that it will come. ये clear है मैंने क्या किया?
Yeah. Like that
Like
till
that it
n.
can go, it can go till
Till n.
it becomes n minus n.
So
Till it becomes
0.
n minus n.
So
Zero,
cos.
zero power tak it will keep on going.
Huh.
So it will go till the zeroth power. So
Till
it will
1.
be 2 cos 2 raised to 0 is anyway 1.
Huh. So 1
And
only.
here it will end, na?
1.
Correct?
Divided by 2 cos theta plus 1, right?
हाँ वो भी है वो भी है.
So 1.
So basically इसके previous term क्या है? मतलब you know that it is 2 cos theta plus 1 and that will cancel with the 2 cos theta plus 1.
Huh.
The previous term क्या होगा? उसका negative. That's it. Correct?
Huh.
उसका
Plus.
negative आएगा इधर. That is 2 cos theta minus 1.
Oh.
But ये दोनों cancel हो गया.
Huh.
Okay? And don't you think that only they have asked to prove?
Yeah. So doubt.
1 second. हाँ.
So in that 2 cos 2 raised to n minus 1 theta plus 1, how will you get that as
Which one? Which one?
2?
This one.
No, below that.
This.
Below that.
This.
Huh.
Huh.
So
This.
how will you How will I get that as 2 cos 2 raised to n minus 2 theta minus 1?
Now you will tell me. This you understood how I got
Huh?
this? You understood how I got this?
Oh,
So n minus 1 के लिए
okay,
it will
okay.
be n minus 2, n minus 2.
Huh.
Okay?
Yeah.
Same thing I'm reiterating. Same loop will continue again. N times it will go.
Huh.
And then the power will be n minus n, 0. And then it will cancel with the denominator. That's why I was telling you, uska previous power kya hoga? You know it. Uska previous power will be the positive negative value. Negative 1, minus 1 aega. That's where this term comes. Done?
No, I didn't understand that negative 1 though.
Nee, I'm telling you. Abhi, when see this is all reiterating from this formula only.
Yeah.
So when you get this, उसके
Huh.
साथ कौन आएगा? उसका minus 1 आए. If there's a plus 1 here, इसका minus 1 आएगा साथ में.
Oh, okay.
तो यहाँ पे I got it from the formula as plus 1. That means
Hmm.
उसका साथ में कौन आएगा? Minus 1.
Huh. Okay.
Basically that theta is basically like this 2 raised to n minus n theta.
Hmm.
That becomes basically theta only.
Yeah. Done.
Try the next one. It's previous, very easy, not that OC, but okay. There's a JEE question. What is the first thing you thought?
That sine theta plus sine alpha is equals to a, and cos theta plus cos phi is equals to b. The like that whole equation I squared it,
Very good.
and then I added the two equations.
Very good. Good. Because you know that you will get 2 sine, 2 cos. है
Huh.
ना? Very
Huh.
good. Excellent. So here it will be sine square theta plus sine square phi plus 2 sine theta sine phi is equal to a square. Here you will get cos square theta plus cos square phi plus 2 cos theta cos phi is equal to b square. Good.
2 plus 2 sin theta sin phi plus
So
2
when you
cos.
add it up, you see that when you add it up, this whole term will become 1 plus
1.
this whole term will become 1 plus this whole term will become 1 plus here you can take 2 common, it will be cos theta minus phi.
Yeah.
Cos theta minus phi is equal to a square plus
B square.
okay. So 2 plus 2 cos theta minus phi is equal to a square plus b square. I'll keep minus 2 here and then I'll divide it by 2. I'll bring 2 down. This is the answer? Yeah.
I wrote it as a square plus b square by 2 minus 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
If that is the case, I think if you have done this, then you try, do not go for B, try for C. C is easy because tan and cos का form में है.
Yeah.
Just today I told you tan half angle of tan you can write only in cos.
Cos.
वही है. So tan theta minus phi by 2 is equal to 1 minus of a square plus b square minus 2 by 2.
Oh.
I think, yeah, your method is easy. You can, it's better. A square plus b square by 2 minus 1. Okay. And 1 plus a square plus b square by 2 plus 1. Okay. Minus 1 only.
Minus 1.
So this will directly cancel. See?
कोई
tension नहीं है.
So minus 1.
No, that will not come. That will not cancel. That will not cancel. This will become plus 1, na? Because it's entire bracket. So plus 1. This नीचे वाला will cancel. Okay. So you will get 2 minus a square plus b square by 2 divided by a square plus b square by 2. And then I think you can simplify it, na?
Simplify.
Like this.
Oh.
And 2 is a common LCM which will cancel out. So we got this as the answer.
So that theta plus phi by 2 instead of like that sign will only change.
Theta plus phi by 2 के लिए what will you do? Think using this data. I have told you one place I told you when I do like this, remember it. Using these data only you will directly get. See what I'm doing is I'm dividing these two equations. Okay. So can I say that is equal to a by b? So ऊपर it will be sine and sine. So sine theta plus phi by 2 and it will be cos theta minus phi by 2. Now 2 cos will give me 2 cos theta plus phi by 2 and again cos theta minus phi by 2 a by b. ये तो cancel हो जाएगा direct. You remember one place I told you?
Where?
When you get sum of two sines and cos, you can directly get tan A plus B by 2. हाँ वही है.
Okay.
Done?
No.
Okay. Then write continued product of cosines. It's a series, you can say. बहुत बार आएगा ये. So the expression is very easy to understand. First, you have a cos theta. You can, the formula is also very easy to understand. It's very, well, the method you should know as well as also the direct formula, which will help you. So I'll double the angle. So it will be 2 theta. Again, I'll double the angle. It will be 2 square theta. Like that, like that. It will go as up to this. So how many terms are there now? You think this is 2 raised to
N
0.
minus 1.
So from 0 to n minus 1, how many terms are there?
N minus
0 to n minus 1.
N.
N. Huh. Understood? Huh. This is 2 raised to 0, this is 2 raised to 1. So there are n terms only here. Okay, so there are n terms. Okay. Okay, so iska expression, I need to find the value. First thing. So first I'll show you how it happens. Okay. I'll tell the short formula, and then there are certain conditions you have to check. Then only it will work. That also I'll tell you. Now, so what I'm doing is first कि अपने तरफ से इस equation में I multiply sine of the smallest angle अपने तरफ से. Wait 1 second. So I'll multiply sine and I'll divide by sine. And I'll also multiply, if you want 2 also you can multiply, no problem. Okay. तो ये जो है क्या है?
Sin 2 theta.
Sin 2 theta. So I'll write it as next. So now the whole thing comes as this now. Correct?
So again 2 divided by 2.
Correct. So again what you will do?
Sin 4 theta.
Again I'll multiply 2. Correct? And then only 2 I have to multiply. On the beginning I had to multiply a sine. The sine of the smallest angle. Uske baad I didn't have to multiply only. Correct? Okay. So now again this will come as sine 2 raised to 2 square like this. Cos square 2 theta and so on. And this will come 2 square sine theta. Correct? Okay. Now you tell me how many once when there's a 2 square here, I removed this theta, I removed 2 theta. Correct? So 2 terms I eliminated and I got 2 square here. And it has to go till cos 2 raised to n minus 1 theta. Correct? So how many 2's I'll have to multiply to get the entire data done?
2 raised to n.
Correct. And finally what you will get, you will get like this. You will get 2
Sin.
Yeah, sine 2 raised to n minus 1 theta aega. So it will be
Sin.
Yeah, sine
4. No. 2 raised to
n
2n
theta.
minus 2.
Maybe it will be sine. Just add 1 to it. Sine 2 raised to n theta.
Right.
That's it. Okay. Now, if you want, you can think like this. How I'm giving the formulas in a different way. Okay. ये Can you think like this? Sine. You will understand the reason also basically. Okay, 2 into. Can you think like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I am writing it sine 2 times the largest angle.
Yeah.
It has to come like that, na?
Huh.
So 2 times the largest angle divided by 2 raised to number of terms into what will come? Sine of?
Smallest.
Correct.
Okay.
This is going to be the formula for the sum. And the method is also important because sometimes if you forget the method, you understand. क्या किया मैंने? Two sine ऊपर multiply किया, combine किया. That's it. That's all. और कुछ नहीं किया मैंने. Then you have to write this 3 points. And after that, we'll start questions based on it.
Do I write this in the formula book?
Yeah, yes. You write this in the formula book.
Okay. Okay, done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, first thing you have to write. Right. Expression should be no. Expression should be in only. Expression should be only in cosine. Okay. Expression should only be in cosine. Expression should only be in cosine. Done? Okay.
Yeah.
Next is angle should be multiplied by 2. You can check that also. Should be multiplied by 2 in ascending order. In ascending order. Now, third, multiplied by 2 in ascending order. Okay. Then last, you just have to know this. After this, you can directly apply the formula. Okay. But you can also, you have to just also write, we multiply. How do we do it?
Divide.
By multiplying 2 into sine of the smallest angle.
Oh.
Okay. In numerator and denominator. And that's how it starts. So if it is in sine, you cannot apply this only. It should be in cosine.
If it's in sine, then
We'll see what to do that time. You'll know it from the questions. Clear?
okay.
Okay. Now basic simple ones I'll give in the beginning. Okay, do this. First of all, you should identify, is it a cosine series? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Iska double 12.
24.
Iska double 12. Iska double, yes. Iska double, yes, yes. It is working like this. So directly you can apply sine of 2 times the largest angle.
96.
2, yeah, 2 times 48. How many terms are there? 4. 2 raised to 4 and sine of the smallest angle. Okay. So sine 96 divided by 16 into sine 6. Now sine 96 I can write it as cos 6. Why? 90 plus theta.
Oh.
Sine 90 plus theta is
Huh.
cos theta.
Cot 6 by 16.
Correct. So you will get cot 6 of 16. Okay. Huh. This was directly given in ascending order. Okay. Now यहाँ पे
Same.
yeah. So again you will multiply by 2, again multiply by 2, again multiply by 2. Okay. So here which is the biggest angle? Yeah, biggest angle. Okay. So sine 2 times pi by 6 divided by 2 raised to 4 into sine pi by 48. Okay. So ऊपर वाला it will be sine pi by 3 then divided by 16 into sine pi by 48. Okay, then
Pi by 3 half, so 32.
pi by 3 is 16, huh? Root 3 by 2, correct? So root 3 by 32 into sine pi by 48. Pi by 48, there's no chance to do anything about it.
Oh.
Because pi by 12 is 15. So 15 ka 4 means 7.5 ka bhi half. Leave it, ignore. Okay? 7.5 ka bhi half hai. Okay, next question.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have a series in sine. But we only studied series in cosine, and also it should be multiples. First you check the denominator. 14. 14 है denominator. 14 के half से कम है क्या सब एंगल?
Yeah.
तो pi by 2 से खेलना है. And you know sin pi by 2 से खेलेंगे, pi by 2 minus theta खेलेंगे तो cos आएगा ही आएगा.
Oh.
Getting?
Huh.
So this you can write sin pi by 2 minus what will come? 7, 6.
Oh, huh.
Okay, correct, no? What I am doing is what? 14 का आधा ले लो 7. 7 से 1 कितना है? 6. So I'll write 6 here direct. Like that. Okay. Then into sine pi by 2 minus 4 pi by 14 आएगा. Okay. Correct, I think. Then sine pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 14 आएगा. Check if you get like this. You understood my logic? How am I doing? 14 का आधा 7. 7 से 1 ये 1 है 1 pi तो 6 होना चाहिए इधर. Here it is 7. 7 minus 3 4. So either 4. 7 minus 5 2. So I'll put 2 here direct like that. Okay. So this will be cos 6 by pi 14 into cos 4 pi by 14 into cos 2 pi by 14. Till here, did you get?
Yeah.
Okay. Now check. Let us check. इसका डबल, अच्छा करेक्ट है, बट इसका डबल 8 पाई है, 8 पाई by 14 है, बट आर यू गेटिंग 8 पाई by 14 there?
No.
Are you getting?
No.
No. Now think 8 pi plus 6 pi कितना है?
14.
हाँ, तो वहां पे क्या खेलना है?
Pi.
Pi. Good. So cos pi minus 8 pi by 14, I can write it like this.
Hmm.
Only thing is the minus will come. ठीक है,
Hmm.
let it come ना, उसमें क्या है? So minus cos 8 pi by 14 into cos 4 pi by 18, 4 pi by 14 into cos. Now is it valid series?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it's a valid series. This is our valid series. And see, ascending order means it's in this ascend. Why did I say to identify the ascending order? So that you will know it. In pies, sometimes you may make a mistake. Numbers may you may not make a mistake. Pi may you will make a mistake. So you should know this is the smallest angle. This is the biggest angle. That's all. That's why I told you to know that. So minus sine 2 times the biggest angle. So it will become 16 pi by 14. Twice of this, huh? Twice of 8 pi by 14
Yeah.
I took. Okay.
8 and
Divided by 2 raised to 3. Because only 3 terms are there.
huh.
Sine of the
Sine
smallest angle. 2
pi
pi by 14. So this will be minus sine 8 pi by 7
huh.
divided by 8 into sine pi by 7.
Huh.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now can I do something with this?
Cos
No.
minus.
8 is bigger than 7.
Oh, pi plus. Huh.
Correct. So pi plus pi by 7 आएगा. And you know 180 minus, this is sine 180 minus is minus sine theta.
Huh.
So minus and minus will be plus. So sine pi by 7
So
by
1 by
8. Yeah. So 1 by 8 is answer. So you should know, as I told you, you should know. That's why I taught you that, remember the beginning.
Yeah.
So you can easily play with pi plus pi by 2 plus. That's it.
Hmm.
Easy. Okay. Now you know when sine series come, it will be manipulated in such a way
Okay.
that you can play with cosine.
Okay.
Okay. Try this. Can see, no?
Hmm.
Think you can see, yeah. Now, every series may not be like that, huh? Aram se see what it is. It is more than half, no?
Huh. So pi.
Pi. So this directly will, this one, think. This one directly will be pi minus pi by 14.
Huh.
And this will be pi minus 14 and 11 ka difference 3.
Hmm.
So 3 pi by 14. And this will be
Same only.
pi minus 5 pi by
7.
14. Yeah. But 7 pi by 14 is basically pi by 2.
Oh.
Sine 90, which is equal to 1.
Okay.
So you got a mirror image. Iska,
Huh.
iska. इसका. And what is sine 180 minus theta? Sine theta only.
हाँ.
So squares आएगा पूरा.
हाँ.
So I hope you are understanding.
Yeah.
So this both will combine to form sine square pi by 14, and this two will combine to form sine square 3 pi by 14, and this two will combine to form sine square 5 pi by 14. Okay. Now this we have already done.
But it's square.
No, that's okay. But we have done it. It's a series. We have done it. How much you got? 1 by 8.
1 by 8. So 1 by 8.
Yeah.
Plus square.
So understood how questions can come in this series level.
Okay.
First you simplify everything and then you see, then उसके अंदर भी एक series आएगा. देख cosine series छुपा है इसके अंदर. Okay. Okay. This one I'll give homework. This I'll give as homework. Huh? I'll give one small section as homework. Okay. I'll put it in the group. The 3 questions and plus that you can try. Okay. Next we'll do interval wala questions. Okay. This try to do question tan theta plus tan 60 plus theta plus tan 120 plus theta. Prove that it is 3 tan 3 theta.
3 tan 3 theta.
Yeah, I'll just write it again properly. Because you have to make everything in tan format.
Yeah.
So how will you start?
I'll start with right hand side.
Right hand side, if you start, how will you get this?
Oh. Okay.
What does your first instinct say? Because you have to play with tan only. This I'll write it as tan. Tan A plus B. Tan 60 plus. So tan 60 is this, root 3 plus t by 1 minus root 3t. समझ में आया मैंने क्या किया? First of all, you tell me here, what is tan 120? I'm just asking you normal. Tan 180 minus 60. Now 180 minus in second quadrant tan negative है. So minus root 3 आएगा. So here plus minus root 3 plus t. Okay, 1 minus root 3 plus t आएगा. समझ रहे हो? So basically हाँ. तो t plus root 3 by 1 minus root 3 plus t minus root 3 1 plus root 3 by t. Now you take the LCM. I would say this LCM is easier first.
Yeah.
So t you keep it side mein. What is the LCM of this? A plus b into a minus b.
1 minus 3 square.
3 tan square, no? See, somewhere getting this. See, somewhere you're getting this, है ना? ऊपर this into this it will be. So t plus root 3 into root 3 t plus 1 plus t minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3. Okay. I hope till here it is clear. Copy this for the next page. Done?
Yeah.
Multiply. I'll also see. सो टी प्लस लास्ट में करते हैं. ओके, √3t² प्लस टी प्लस 3t प्लस √3 प्लस टी माइनस √3t² माइनस √3 प्लस 3t डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस 3t². कुछ कैंसिल होगा ही होगा. √3 ऑल विल कैंसिल. सी, तो 60 80 आ रहा है क्या ऊपर? जस्ट चेक.
Yeah.
80 ना?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 minus 3t². Okay. Now I'll do one thing. I'll take t common. So 1 plus 8 by 1 minus 3t². T into. So when you do it, 1 minus 3t² plus 8 by 1 minus 3t². Okay. T into, it will be 9 minus 3t² by 1 minus, है ना? I can take 3 common again. ऊपर
Yeah.
न्यूमरेटर से 3 common, it will be 3t into 3 minus t² by 1 minus t². Now I put the t inside. 3t minus t cube, which now you know it. What is coming? 3 tan 3a.
Oh.
You can take the entire LCM and do also. Then it will be little hectic. That's why I told you to take इन दोनों का LCM. थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई होगा. Tomorrow we'll do 18, 36, 54, all that. And we'll do some interval problems like that. You remember I gave you a diagram where cos is greater and sine is greater with sine, and where mod cos and mod sine is greater. वो याद रख के आना कल. हाँ?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay then. We'll meet tomorrow.